Hello, this is the third video of a series of a Mathemagician tutorial. Today we are going to use what we have learned in the previous tutorials to solve some actual equations. In this example, we have two ways to solve this equation. First, we can add those two numbers and move the 3 over and calculate 14. Or if you actually pay attention to the top part of our app, it actually has a sequence of the steps you have done. If you could just click on each one of them, you can see a sequence of the steps you have done. There is actually an alternative way to solve this. If you pay attention to this one we calculate this 42 first, right? There is another way to do it, is actually we don't do this addition first. We move this 3 around first. And you can see here it makes a new branch on this 4. Okay? And then you have even more ways to do it starting from here. You can calculate this 42, which sends you back to step 2 as it illustrates from 4 and sends you back to 42. Or we can be more creative. We can actually break this parentheses and now we have two fractions and we can calculate them individually and then add them up. And you can see from this path, from 0, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, you ended up with the same answer. Or you could do this path, 0, 1, 2, 3. They all gave you the same answer.